ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up. We bring it back to life, taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautified, stop by and jazz it up.
Hey fam, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making over my sister's apartment space that she's just moved into. Here's some befores of the space before she moved in.
Hello!
You ready? So first things first, my niece is clearing off the fridge and saving all of her beautiful artwork. And then we remove these shelves. We want to make shelves that will reach all the way from the door to the fridge. So we're making new shelves and we're gonna use different brackets than these. We also removed that wallpaper backsplash. And then I'm just gonna flatten out these holes from the screws and I'm gonna fill them in with some putty. I'm not gonna paint the wall because we're just gonna cover it all with wallpaper. So I'm just gonna sand it down and leave it after we fill in the holes. Then we took a little lunch break. My sister makes the best salads. So back to the wall. Here's the wallpaper that we decided on. It is a little bit more gray in person than it was online. We got it from Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box, but we are gonna go ahead and use it anyway. We do like the way that it looks, so let's put it up. She's measuring. She's measuring that from far away. We're gonna see if it's accurate. Immediately no. I feel like immediately no. It looks big. Okay, go. Lock it in. I'm gonna lock it in. Okay, you film me. I'm gonna go measure it. That's actually really close. But you're like an inch off. But that's, for being that far away, that was really close. Very, very close. It's impressive.
Ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
So my sister tries not to use a lot of toxins in her space, so we used this hemp oil and like a natural wood stain to stain the wood instead. Obviously it's not as dark or strong as regular wood stain, but it still added a little bit of color to the wood, which was great.
To make it come around, I think you want me the same way I want you, almost.
And then I'm just attaching the brackets about 9 inches in from each side.
No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you.
So to hang the shelves, I first just set them up and screwed them in without any wall anchors, just so I could see where I wanted them to go. And then I removed them and added the wall anchors in after the fact.
Do you feel the same? this is just a game, 'cause I got high hopes.
And then we just played around with some of the decor that she already had around. And yeah. Okay, quick explanation. So for this side, I wanted to pull this table away from the wall to create more of an island situation. And then on this wall, I want to add some more shelving for food storage. And then underneath the shelving, somewhere to put her cooktop or electric stove, because this is a converted garage. And we will put wallpaper on this side too to complete the kitchen. How often have you thought this about me?
Everybody loves you.
How often do I even whistle?
Too much.
She said I have the worst whistle. That's so rude.
It's very airy and breathy. It's like mostly air, and then you're surprised if a little sound comes out with your air. You whistle with mostly air. It's just... and a little sound comes out, and then...
Okay, I got it.
You're a beautiful singer, though.
Okay, so we're putting this little table that she had over there next to the cabinets we stocked. I guess they're already stocked. We just scooted them over. Can we tighten it up?
Yeah.
It looks good though. Once we move this out, you'll have...
And with the shelves.
Mm-hmm. But now we're ending for the night.
Block the light with the picture.
True, but you can't see.
No.
There's a light. If you make it to the closet, there's a light on the closet door.
Okay, day 2. She did this wall with the wallpaper. And we styled that shelf. So I think she's gonna get some more wallpaper and do this little piece as well. So today we're gonna hang up the shelves right here. So like I said, we wanted to put the island in the center of the room, but it was a little bit too big. So we had our friend come and cut the table for us, just like maybe a foot or less, slightly, just so it could fit right in the middle of the room. Sorry for this visual. It's a little blurry. I don't know what happened. So on day 3, we rolled up her rug and we started to work on the living room. We did switch around this floor plan probably 3 or 4 times, to be honest, but I love the way that it turned out. So the first order of business, once we got the room cleared, was to roll out our brand new rug, which brings me to today's sponsor, Miss Amara Rugs. I love the rugs from this place. We grabbed this wool rug and it's so beautiful. It has such a great pattern on it and it's actually really soft. It's not itchy like a lot of wool rugs tend to be. And I just love this one for her. Miss Samara Rugs has so many different options and they're all super luxurious. We also swapped out the jute rug in her bedroom for this rug, which is absolutely stunning. This is the Sadie rug in a 5x8. And then the last one I got, I used in my living room, which is the Sienna, and that one is also a 5x8. Please check them out. I will link them all down below. Thank you, Miss Samara Rugs, for sponsoring this video. So we moved around this floor plan probably 4 times, like I said before, so I'm going to show you a couple of the different ways we styled this room. I like to always show you guys the process so that you know I'm not a professional. I'm just a regular girl at home who really loves home decor, so it's all trial and error over here.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down.
And now we're ready for some before and afters. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. As always, keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.
We bring it back to life, taking it to brand new heights. Ashes get beautiful.